Okay, if you've seen adverts about the windscreen wipers rejuvenation, don't throw away your windscreen wipers, this will save you loads of money, blah blah blah. You can buy these on Wish and also eBay and probably other sites as well, and they vary in price from £1 to I think about a fiver. So I got this from eBay. Only because you can get it off of Wish for the same price, otherwise I would have got it off of Wish. One of the wipers on my car was smearing and not really wiping, it wasn't making it clear. So I thought, right, okay, we'll get one of these and give it a go. It's going to save probably £10 on a wiper blade. So yeah, let's save a tenner. So went ahead and got this. I thought that it would probably have a blade in here somewhere. Because what you do is you put your wiper blade in this slot, and it shows on the advert, you just slide it along your wiper blade, and hey presto, magic, your windscreen is now clear and the wiper blade's good as new, so it looked like. Anyway, I got this. It came with a nice little bag as well, to keep it in nice and tidy. Really not a lot to it. And I was having a look and I couldn't see any sort of blade in here. I thought it had like a Stanley blade or something. Anyway, went outside, ran this down the wiper blade, operated the washers and everything. No, just the same. So I did it again. I did it several times, and no, still nothing. So I thought, can I take it apart? And you can. You push up either side on here, and this sort of like chrome bit comes out. So let's get this out. You see it's lifting out. There we go. Pop this down. Right. And what you've got is a file. You can probably see there's bits of black on there from the windscreen wiper. And it's just like it's a finish sort of file. And that does slide out. So that these are made, the bit of plastic is injection moulded or however they do it, and then these little files are slipped in and the chrome bit pitted. So right, okay, it's a little file. So I need to file down my wiper blade, and that's what I did. I sort of up and down motion doing the wiper blade, and I spent 10 minutes doing that. Tried the wipers, nothing, still the same. So a little bit fed up, or maybe I just need to do it more. Maybe my wipers were that bad. Anyway, I continued to do it and try it, and nothing. My wipers are just the same. So I'll put this back on, and that just goes onto there and it clips back into place. So I really, no, you just can't file down a wiper blade. I don't think that's quite in the groove there. Not in the groove. And my thoughts were that from when I was engineering, if you file something down, then along the edge of it, it will be a little bit rough. So you need to just file the edge as well. So is that the case with like a rubber type of wiper blade? It's all I can think of. Is it must be really. It's a file. It has to leave sort of a bit of an edge. But anyway, regardless, this was £1. You can get it from Wish or eBay. Absolutely crap. Throw it away, give it to the dog to play with. There we are, dog. Here you are. Oh, it's fallen down. What a load of rubbish. So personally, I wouldn't waste your money. Go and get a new wiper blade or blades. Is by far still the best option. Well, thank you for watching. Give me a like or dislike or make a comment. If you've got one and you've got it to sort of work, let me know which one you got. I'd be interested. Thanks for watching. Bye.